Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Kitaholic Kits where I use their kits in the stash. And what I decided to do is that I always tend to actually do this the very first layout of every design team, but I pushed it off a little bit for this one and I decided to do it now. And I wanted to pull in some colors off of the design team photo and place it in my design team, what I call it, it's my design team layout for like my resume for scrapbooking and what I have been on for design teams. So if anybody ever asks, like if there's questions and I'm wanting to join a new team or whatever the case may be and they ask, I can go through this and put down all the design teams. So this is almost full, so I've made a design team traveler's notebook for all of them, and I always used a photo. Again, I am so sorry for my voice. It does come back. It's coming back. It's just taking a minute or two for it. So, but I just wanted to get this voiceover done because this needs to go up on my channel, and I'm trying to get caught up because I'm sitting with tons of videos that I've scrapbooked, but I haven't been able to do the voiceovers because listen to the sound of my voice. It does not sound good. So what I did is that I cut the photograph in half, or kind of in half. It's half of it says, welcome to the design team. We were kind of in the middle of the design team for Kitaholic Kits, so it's just the three of us. It's not all of us that are on the team, but that's okay. I don't mind. This is who I joined at the time, and I don't mind that at all. So I'm just placing down all of these little colors, trying to get them to look right, and just to get them all put down. And I really liked this kit, and it worked out well. I did able to clear out quite a bit of my stash, because I did get just the main kit. So my very last layout doesn't have much left of the kit at all. I don't know if I have much of it, to be really truly honest. So okay, sorry about that. My daughter needed some help, and so I had to stop and come back. Okay, so what we're doing now is that I'm placing down the photos, and I decided to try to use up as much as possible of all of the pieces that I have, because I really only have one layout left to go, which is after this one, and then I'm pretty much done with this kit. And then obviously the new kit comes. So I did really well on clearing out some of my stash and then clearing this one to where I'm not really putting anything back into my stash, because I do have another I have a set of this stuff already, and I'm not even putting that much of this in with that collection, so that's not bad. And so I'm like, okay, well, I will get through all of this and hope and pray. I did have to pull, I hope and pray that I could get through most of this, because I'm like, man, I don't have that much left. But I did pull through my stash just a little bit, because I went to go look at the kits that you can get so that you can get everything, and this some of this was in some of the kits, so I was like, oh, perfect. Okay, so I pulled for my stash, but I really didn't pull for my stash, if you know what I mean, because I want to be able to use some of this collection up, because I'm just running out of stuff. I need to use it, right? So I hope that you're enjoying all of these. The fall weather is upon us. Yay. I'm getting ready for pumpkin spice latte season from now until Christmas time, and then it's the peppermint mocha lattes. I am looking forward to fall around here, and Christmas is one of my favorite layouts, or one of my favorite times of the year. So, and I'm absolutely loving this. And yeah, so I really liked how this design team layout turned out. It worked perfectly for me. I love the colors. I love the bright Amy tan that's in here. It's just perfect. And I'm ready for fall to begin because I am a huge... We're still summer. It's still going to be hot in September. We've got football season coming around the corner. It'll start, college started, so I can't wait to start watching that. I can't wait to watch my daughter play soccer because she's been practicing for the last 2 weeks. So her first game is on Monday, which is when this goes up. So I should be at a soccer game when you see this. And yeah, so I'm excited to see all of that stuff and whatnot. So back to the layout here. I'm just finishing up the little bits and bobs of what I can find. I do finally get some of one of these planner things to be used. Hallelujah. I think I only have like 2 left to go, maybe 3. So I'm glad for that. And then I'm just kind of finishing up the little bits of everything else that are on here. And I used some of the cut aparts and got that down. And I just love how my title and everything flew. I do have a new spritz. It's You're the Zest that I've been using to offset my gold because, you know, y'all know that I don't like gold. And when I got this particular one in from Shimmer's Paints, I was like, yes, it's my favorite. I'm so excited. And I use that one all the time now because I love it because it's yellow. I know that it's yellow and it's not like gold splatters, but I'm not a gold splatter person anyway, so this worked out perfect for me. And now I'm just pretty much finishing up. So I hope that you enjoy this. Make sure that you go check out everything for the Kitaholic Kits. That is their website, their community page on Facebook. All of that, all of those links will be down below, along with their website to get this kit and any other kit that's coming along. Also, make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do try to upload between 2 to 3 times a week. And give you all of the different content possible. So I am going to leave you with the little bits of this left. The still shots are coming up, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.